So today I picked up a 1975 MTD 990 garden tractor. While on my way back home from assisting with Adventures with Purpose this last spring, I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace trying to look for a garden tractor. I've been on the lookout for one for a while now, and I came across this beauty, a 1975 MTD 990 hydrostatic garden tractor. This garden tractor has a front and rear hydrostatic lift. The front is able to attach to a snowplow, and the rear has a 3-point attachment assembly so that it can attach to a 2-inch ball receiver, drawbar, and also a rear scraper. The thing that I'm most excited for was that it has a snowplow with it and also chains. So in the wintertime here in Central Oregon when it snows, I could be able to use this tractor to plow our driveway instead of using my homemade plywood ATV plow that I made that literally got destroyed within the first use of the heavy snow that we had this last winter. And yes, the tractor does look like it's in pretty rough condition, but what do you expect? It's 47 years old, but there's one thing that I do appreciate about it. It starts on the first turn. As you can see, it idles pretty smoothly. When you throttle down and let it idle low, it does not hesitate and die. Let's see if we can put some life back into this tractor. Do you approve? Do you approve, Angel?